那要看到的影片画面，唔是拍电影，是真正的极限运动。这是极限运动员格拉布精彩挑战。伊伫杜拜300公尺高的饭店游泳池出泳，出到大楼边了后，直接是跳伞跳落来，尾啊真水快，降落伫附近的海沙坡。
伫无人机的看板帮助之下，格拉布跳上厨房，伫294米高的空中水池出水。来到尾站，伊出上跳台，顺势放手，随后伊开始展现伊跳伞的技术。
That's when I kind of bailed off the board. I made sure I was clear of the tether, and just had a nice slow barrel roll. And I was kind of going with the building, like down the way, and just had sick visuals, like seeing the side of the building and like looking out over the water out here. And
格拉布最后成功降落伫附近的海沙坡，完成这座开先锋的极限运动。格拉布讲，伊早伫10年前有这样极限运动的想法，即摆伊总算伫杜拜实现伊的梦想。
And yeah, it's been a long time coming. We had to build a drone that could pull us. So I had to like get more proficient in base jumping, and then we found this awesome location here in Dubai, and we just put everything together, and we just pulled off the sickest thing I've ever done on a wake skate for sure.
不过，就算是功夫高强，人好打，格拉布也是有真功夫。伊进前除了接受专家的指导学跳伞，搁伫瑞士甲美国参加训练营，至少跳伞跳上100摆以上。进前，伊嘛捌踮咧土耳其的国际温泉浴场，甲菲律宾的山田，展现伊水快的出水功夫。公视新闻詹慧敏编译。